Hello guys, welcome to BYJU'S exam prep and welcome to your, as always, Sunday special 11 a.m. aptitude or maths practice sessions to learn up some more concepts. So guys, you know, the analytical reasoning plays a very important role in every competitive exam, be it GATE, engineering services or ISRO, NIELIT, HPCL, all these upcoming examinations. So, you know, especially the puzzles, the, you know, random puzzles, okay, the brain teasers, they are playing an important role. Lots of questions are coming from this particular area. So in this session, let's have, okay, some interesting, okay, and good questions on the analytical puzzles. Okay, so, you know, we'll start with some basic questions and then we will take variety of questions. So see, analytical puzzle doesn't only include seating arrangement. See, one common area here is arrangement, not necessarily seating, but arrangements and ordering, but it is also mapping of multiple objects. So let's see, let's learn one by one. Let's take up the question. This is a regular introduction about me. Okay, so guys, like all other classes, you will get the today's PDF also in my Telegram group. Okay, and this is the link. I can share you the link in comment as well. Now, other than the PDF for updates about my classes, for doubt discussions, for other important daily concepts, for updates about exams and all those things, you can also be connected in the Telegram group. And also guys, at the same time, okay, at the same time, you know, 22nd October, I'm sorry, I think that is the old date, 22nd of October, that is just today, Sunday, from 9 a.m. okay, the BYJU'S National Scholarship Test has begun. The BYJU'S National Scholarship Test has begun, and yes, using this National Scholarship Test, you can get as much as up to 90% scholarship on your GATE and engineering services complete preparation courses. Now guys, here we have the first question. Here we have the first question for the day. PQRST are 5 speakers who have to speak on a particular day, but not necessarily in the same order. The PQRST is not the order. R is neither the first nor the last speaker. Okay, so we have 5 speakers, okay, and they need to speak in a particular order. Okay, that I think that is what we need to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but what they are telling is R is neither the first nor the last. R will not come here. One by one we will keep deducing. There are 3 speakers after S. Acha, there are 3 speakers after S. So what does it mean? Okay, 3 after S. So these can be the 3. So definitely I get the position of S. Okay, there are 3 after S and there are 3 speakers ahead of T. Okay, 3 speakers ahead of T. So definitely T will come up here. Okay, 3 ahead of T. So T will be 4th. Okay, clear? Okay, now R, first statement, R is neither the first nor the last. So R cannot come at these 2 locations. So R will be at 3rd. That is also clear, I think. Okay, now, if P speaks after Q, so only P and Q are left, out of which P will speak after Q. Okay, so definitely P will come at the last and Q should come here. Okay, okay, then who is the last speaker to speak? That is P only, option number C. That is option number C. Okay, you can match your answer. So what you can also do is, okay, I'm presenting the question and we'll usually parallelly solving it so that, you know, we have a quick and interactive discussions. But what you can do, whenever I present a question, you can pause it up for a moment. Okay, you can try to solve on your own if you have the confidence. Yes, you can make it. Okay, try to solve it on your own, and once you are done, okay, then you can start playing the video again, match your answers. If it matches, balle balle, otherwise you can check the approach. Next question. Rajneesh is older than Rajesh. A simple ordering it is. Rajneesh is older than Rajesh and Raman both. Okay, Ramesh is older than Rajesh. Okay, okay, but younger than Rajiv. Okay, so let's say if Rajesh is coming up here, okay, if Rajesh is coming up here, okay, definitely Rajneesh is older than Rajesh and Raman, and Ramesh is also older than Rajesh. Okay, so I don't know the relation between Rajneesh and Ramesh, but they are definitely ahead of Rajesh. Both of them are ahead of Rajesh, older. Okay, they are older. So let us take this particular, okay, let us take this particular case. Age is in the increasing order. Let us say this has the increasing age. So person on the top is more and more older. Okay, Ramesh is older than Rajesh but younger than Rajiv. Acha, now that is also very clear कि Ramesh is older than Rajesh but younger than Rajiv. So Rajiv will come above. थोड़ा सा इसको नीचे shift करते हैं. Let's say this guy is Rajesh. Okay, in between Rajesh, definitely you know, Ramesh will be there, but Ramesh is younger than Rajiv. Okay, so Rajiv will be at the more top. Rajiv will be at the more top. Okay, Raman is older than Rajiv. Okay, Raman is older than Rajiv, so Raman comes up here. Okay, Raman comes up here. Okay, but Rajneesh is older than both Rajesh and Raman. Okay, Rajneesh is older than, one by one decode हो जाता है. Rajneesh is older than both Rajesh and Naman. Ramesh is older than Rajesh. Okay, तो रमेश को यहाँ fit करते हैं. Ramesh is older than Rajesh but younger than Rajiv. Okay, Raman is older. Raman is older than Rajiv. Who among them is the oldest? Everything sorted, na? Who among them is the oldest, guys? Come on, Rajneesh. Option number C. Rajneesh is the oldest among them. Okay, hope you have got it. Let's move to the third question. 4 couples around a circular table, circular arrangement. But I'm again telling you, the session will not only be arrangements. We'll see some more miscellaneous questions. It's just starting. Okay, more miscellaneous, different varieties of analytical puzzles. 4 couples sit around a circular table. So let me present that circular table first. Okay, 4 couples are there. That means 8 persons in total. There will be 8 persons in total. Okay, so let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there are 8 positions. I've made it ready now. Every husband sits to the right of the wife. Okay, so husband wife will be sitting together. Husband to the right of the wife. Okay, PQRS are the husbands. Okay, so husbands are PQRS. Okay, PQRS are the husbands. Okay, TUVW. Okay, TUVW are the wives. Okay, ये लिखा husbands और ये लिखा wives. Okay, out of that Q and U they make a couple. Okay, Q and U are married. R and V are married. Okay, R and V are married. Acha, it doesn't mean that P and T will be married. These are 4 husbands and 4 wives. Okay, these are by chance mapped. It doesn't mean that P and T are also couples. That we have to check it out. Okay, so there are 2 married couples given. S does not sit next to V and T sits to the left of P. Who sits opposite S? Okay, S does not sit next to V. कहाँ बैठा ये नहीं बोला है. But something is given. See, what is the point of starting of circular arrangement? Circle has no beginning nor ending. You can define your own beginning by any one statement. Okay, so S does not sit. Forget does not sit. I don't know where he sits, but something is given. T sits to the left of P. So what I can do? Let us say P is here. Let us say P is here. Okay, P sits. Okay, so T sits to the left of P. Of course, nothing is mentioned. So everybody will be facing center, na? Like everybody is facing center. They are in a party. Okay, party means they are having dinner. Okay, they will be chit-chatting. They'll be having dinner. Okay, so if they face outside, how will they have dinner or how will they talk? So of course, logically, they will be facing inside. Okay, so when I say T is to the left of P, so this will be the left hand. So this is the T guy. Okay, T sits to the left of P. Who sits opposite S? So P sits opposite S. To the left of P, who sits opposite S? Okay, तो ये हो गया P and S are opposite. I mean on the diametric line I have taken. Clear? Okay, Q sits between what? अच्छा, S does not sit next to V. Okay, ये देखना पड़ेगा. S does not sit next to V, तो V will not come here. Okay, S does not sit next to V, तो V will not come here. So where should V come? Okay, where should V come? Okay, देखो Q and U are. अच्छा, now very interesting is Q and U are couple. Okay, so okay, one couple can be fit here. Okay, on one couple can be fit here. P किसके साथ couple है वो मुझे नहीं पता है अभी. S makes a couple with somebody. Okay, S does not sit next to V. Okay, V will not come here. Okay, अच्छा, if V doesn't come here, V is the wife. Okay, V is the wife, so V can come here. Okay, please listen to me. V can come up here. Okay, V can come up here. P is the husband, T is the wife, and every husband sits to the right of the wife. अच्छा, तो एक और pair बन गया. This is automatically. Okay, this is then automatically. Let me highlight this. Okay, this is automatically a couple then. Why? Because T is a wife and to the right of wife, her husband has to be there. Every husband sits to the right of his wife. Okay, T is a wife, so right में husband ही होना चाहिए. So we have got this also as couple. So now S and W is also couple. Okay, if S and W is couple, S is the husband. Husband is to the right of the wife. Problem I think almost sorted. Okay, so this will be the W. Okay, wife के right में होना चाहिए. तो actually this will be the W. This will be the W. ये right hand हो जाएगा ना? Looking from this angle. Okay, this will be the right. So that is W. Okay, that is W. Okay, now there are 2 positions left for the 2 pair. S does not sit next to the V. So V cannot come here. Let me try V here. V is a wife and नहीं. So V cannot come here. VR का कुछ भी possibility हो सकता है क्या? Let me see anything else mentioned. 2 married couples. Okay, QU and S does not sit next to V. That is no problem. Okay, S is the husband. Okay, V makes a pair with R and V is the wife. Husband will sit to the right of V. Okay, husband will sit to the right of V. Okay, so definitely V cannot come here, na? Okay, suppose if V comes here, husband can come up here, okay, right side में, but V cannot sit next to this. Okay, so ये आ गया V और R. This will be V towards the right, V का husband R. Okay, this is also one couple. This is also one couple. So who is left now? Who is the couple left? QU. Okay, that too, Q is the husband. So husband will be at the right. This will be U. Okay, wife के right में husband होना चाहिए. Now you can check this very clearly. It is done. Okay, sometimes some questions take time to sort out the things. Now let me highlight all the couples. So as I mentioned, SW is a couple. Okay, RV is a couple. QU is a couple. You can clearly match that right condition. Okay, so U is the wife. Okay, right side में Q है. Correct. Okay, now out of S and W, W is the wife, towards the right S है. Correct है. Okay, out of the V and R, V is the wife, towards the right R है. Perfect है. And ये तो already check कर लिया था. Okay, so Q sits between what? Q sits between T and U. Q sits between T and U, option number B. Q sits between T and U, option number B. Got it? Next question, okay, is here for you. 8 persons through W are sitting around an octagonal table. Octagonal table. Okay, so it's octagonal table this time, according to the following conditions. So let me first, present this octagonal table. Octagonal table means having the 8 sides. ये हो गया 5, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, this can be octagonal approximately. Okay, don't mind my exact drawing. Okay, P is sitting to the right of you, but ultimately it makes a closed figure, na? Like circle, it is a closed figure, and a closed figure like circle doesn't have a beginning, doesn't have an ending. Okay, so P is to the right of you. Okay, P is sitting to the right of you. So let us take this as the beginning, U. So P will come here. Okay, P is to the right of you. Done it? P is to the right of you. Okay, T is sitting adjacent to S and P. T is adjacent to both S and P. Okay, T is adjacent to P also, so T can come up here. So S will come up here because T should be adjacent. Okay, neighbor of both P and S. Okay, this is done, this is done. Whatever I've used, I'll just tick mark. Q is sitting to the right of W. Q is sitting to the right of W. Both are not present here. V is sitting opposite P. Acha, V is sitting opposite P. Now, when I say opposite P, it should mean diametrically opposite or diagonally opposite if you take it as octagon. If you take it as octagon. Okay, so V is sitting opposite P. So V should come here. Okay, ये एक diagonal हुआ ना. Okay, so V should come here. V is opposite P and Q is opposite S. Okay, Q will be opposite S. Okay, so here comes the Q. Here comes the Q. Okay, so this is done. And now Q is sitting to the right of W. Q is sitting to the right of W. ये W है right hand. Everybody facing inside by default. Okay, okay, right of W. Okay, so who is left now? Okay, P, Q, R. R is left, I think. R, S, T, U, V, W. Done eh? Which of the following is true? Now I have the arrangement done, so we can check which of the following is true. P is sitting adjacent to U and W. P is adjacent to U and W. No. U and T के adjacent है वो. U is sitting adjacent to the R. U is sitting adjacent. No, that is opposite. Okay, R is sitting between S and B. R is sitting between S and B. Perfect. C is the correct answer. C is the very correct answer. Let us take D also for a moment. Either U or R is sitting opposite T. Either U or R is sitting opposite T. No, U and R. Opposite means, as I told you, diagonally opposite to U and R. So D, V correct. D is incorrect. So C is the only correct answer. C is the only correct answer. Next question की तरफ चलते हैं. Here it is. Okay. In a parking area. Okay. In a parking area, 8 cars of different companies are parked. Okay. 8 cars of different companies are parked. 4 cars parked adjacent to each other on one side of the walkway and other 4 opposite to them. Okay, so 4 on one side like this and 4 on this side, and there will be a walkway in between. Okay, okay. The following information is known about them. So let's take little bit space. यहाँ पे space नहीं है. Let's go to the next slide. Tata is parked between Merc and BMW. Okay. Maruti is parked to the immediate right of Fiat. Okay. On the same side. Okay, Maruti is parked to the immediate right of Fiat. Okay, so let us make this 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is a walkway in between. Maruti is parked to the immediate right of Fiat on the same side. Okay, Toyota is parked opposite to Fiat and both of them are at extreme ends. Acha, Toyota is parked opposite to Fiat. They are opposite and both of them are at extreme ends. Okay, so either this, or this. Okay, but Maruti is to the right of Fiat. Acha, so if you take Fiat here, तो right में तो कुछ बचा ही नहीं. So definitely Fiat comes here And who is opposite Fiat? Toyota is parked opposite to Fiat. Okay, and both of them are at extreme ends. So, ये आ गया Toyota. Both of them are extreme ends and opposite each other. And then Maruti is to the right of Fiat. This is also used. Immediate right of Fiat on the same side. Same side ले लिया. Okay, Tata is between Merc and BMW. Acha, now देखो, Tata is between Merc and BMW. This is also sorted now. Why? Between Merc and BMW means these three are in a line. Okay, okay. So here only 2 persons are left. तो ये भी sort हो गया. Tata is between Merc and BMW, but where is Merc? Where is BMW? वो देखना पड़ेगा. Let's wait. We will get that also. Okay. Ford car is parked opposite to Tata. Okay. Ford is opposite to Tata. ये लीजिए. One by one, everything we are getting. Na? Okay. Hyundai is parked opposite to BMW, and both of them are at the extreme ends. Okay. Hyundai is opposite BMW. Both are at extreme ends. I told you BMW तो यही होगा. BMW Merc. Okay, and Hyundai is opposite it, both of it are the extreme ends, and Tata was between Merc and BMW. So this is Merc. Okay, this is also used. Ford is parked exactly between Hyundai and Maruti. Not required. Without that also done. So this statement not required. Which of the following cars are parked diagonally opposite to each other? Diagonally opposite to each other. Merc and Tata? Okay, nahi, Merc to diagonal pe hai nahi. Diagonal means, see, if you take it as a rectangle, either this is the diagonal or this is the diagonal. So diagonal means BMW Fiat and Toyota Hyundai. Let us see what is the option given. Okay, BMW Fiat, ye raha na, C. Okay, then if BMW and Fiat is given, so they should not give the other one, Toyota and Hyundai. They should not give the Toyota and Hyundai, and they have not given. Okay, otherwise they should make MSQ question. Usually from aptitude they will not make, but they can make it as the MSQ question. Clear hai? So very correct answer is C. Very correct answer is C. Okay. This is also a sort of arrangement question. Arrangement of cars. Okay, on two different sides. Okay, with some conditions given. Okay, done hai? Okay, now let us go to the next question. 5 persons A, B, C, D, E are being compared in weight and height. Okay, the second heaviest person D is the shortest. Okay, so now they are being compared in both weight and height. Okay, let's read and write down. So suppose, okay, there are 5 persons and they are being compared in weight and height. Okay, height, if I want to write down in the increasing order, let us write it here. Similarly, weight wise also let us write both the wise. Okay, so first statement is second heaviest person. Heaviest means weight की बात कर रहे हैं. Second heaviest मतलब towards the higher weight side. Okay, that is the person D. Okay, so let me write down here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what is the increasing 1 to 5. Okay, the second heaviest person. Okay, D. Okay, is the shortest. D is the shortest. So in terms of height, it will come here. In terms of height, it will come here. Okay. Now A is the second tallest. Second tallest मतलब towards taller side. Second tallest to A. Okay, A, but he is shorter than E. A is the second tallest, but shorter than E. Okay, तो इसके बाद E आएगा ना. A is still shorter than E, तो fifth पे आ गया E. Okay, the heaviest person is the third tallest person. Heaviest person. Okay, I don't know who, but that is the third tallest person. Suppose this person is somebody. Suppose X. Okay, so that X will come up here. That X will come up here. Okay, these two will be same. That's what I want to say. There is only one person shorter than B. There is only one person shorter than B. What does it mean? Okay, so with respect to height, short and long means height. Okay, there is only one person before B, so B should be second. B should be second. Okay, who is lighter than E and A respectively? Who is the heaviest person? Acha, now this is almost sorted. Who is the heaviest person? Who is the heaviest person? Okay, X. These two are same. Now why the question is almost sorted? Because the first row is complete. D, B, A, E. Who is the person left? Only C left, na? Okay, the third tallest will be the highest, will be the, the heaviest person also. So answer is C. Answer is the person C. Done. यहाँ पे C आएगा. Okay, यहाँ पे C आएगा. Okay. So B is lighter than E and A. If you want to use this, so B is lighter than E and A. B will come up here. E or A something will come up here. But that is not required actually. But in addition to that, among E and A, I think it will be difficult to distinguish. But we have sorted, no problem. Na? So let us go to the next question then. Read the following information carefully and answer the question below. Okay, in a family of 6 persons, A, B, C, D, E, F, there are 3 males and 3 females. Okay, 2 are married couples and 2 persons are unmarried. Acha, actually onto this there will be 2 questions you will be finding. Okay, so blood relation plus ये puzzle mapping, both will be sorted in this question. Okay, so in a family of 6 persons, A, B, C, D, E, F, there are 3 males and 3 females. Okay, 3 males will be there, 3 females will be there. Okay, there are total 6 persons. Okay, there are 2 married couples and 2 persons. Acha, 2 married couples, matlab total 4 married persons. So remaining 2 are unmarried. Okay, each of them reads different newspapers, that is Times of India, Indian Express, Hindustan Times, Financial Times, Navbharat Times and Business Standard. Okay, E. Okay, who reads? Ab ye second statement hai. E, who reads Indian Express, is the mother-in-law of A. Okay, mother-in-law of A. So first of all, that family chart will also come. Okay, because how is F related? And second question, who among them reads the Times of India? There are 2 questions here. Okay, so let me read that. E, okay, kahan gaya? E, who reads Indian Express, is the mother-in-law of A. E is the mother-in-law of A. Okay, ye dhyan rakhna. E is the mother-in-law. Okay, means female. Mother-in-law of A. I don't know the A gender right now. E, who is the mother-in-law of A. A, who is the wife of C. Acha, A is the wife of C. Okay, so A is female and C will be male. Marriage means equal to. Okay, so C will be male, of course. D is the father of F. Okay, D is the father of F. Okay. Acha, now there are only 2 married couples, na? So one married couple is found A and C, out of which E is a mother. If E is a mother, she is also married to somebody. Okay, and D is the father. Ek statement aa raha hai, D is the father. So father is also married to somebody. So you are left with no choice. D has to be the father, but that is married to E. That is married to E. Got this? That is married to E. Okay, now D is the father of F. Okay, and father of F. Acha. So they have one child, that is A. Okay, they have one child, that is A, right? And D is the father of F, and he does not read. Acha, A is the mother-in-law of A. Sorry, E is the mother-in-law of A. So isko thoda sa swap karenge. I'm sorry. E is the mother-in-law. Here I took directly mother-in-law of A. So A will be female, who is the wife of C. So C should be the son actually. C should be the son actually. Okay, otherwise E was becoming the mother. No, I was to draw E was becoming the mother-in-law of A. ठीक है? तो ये correct हो गया, mother-in-law. Okay, and F is the father of F. Okay, so F has one. So D is the father of F. Okay, so F should be sibling. Okay, F should be sibling. That means brother or sister, something. Okay, that we will figure out what it is. Okay. And he does not read Times of India. Newspaper पे बात में आते हैं. B reads Navbharat and is the sister of F. अच्छा, B is the sister of F further. So B is sister means female. Okay, so guys, 1, 2, 3. 3 females are complete. So 3 males have to be there. So D, C and F. F will be the male. Okay, F will be the male. F will be the male. Okay, ये हो गया. इसको थोड़ा सा clearly लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. F should be the male. Okay. Brother of C, and E, okay, who was the sister of B, was the sister. Okay, तो इसको बना देंगे B. B is the sister. Okay, तो sister, siblings, brother, sisters are related by dash. ये complete हो गया. Okay, now first blood relation question. How is F related to E? Tell me. How is the F related to the E? F, male, means son, son of E. It is son of E. Option number C. Okay, ये done है. Now let's go to the next. In the next, who reads the Times of India? So I have to, same statement but 2 ways of asking the question. अब यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं. Okay, so the first information is only about married and how many are married, how many unmarried. E, who reads the Indian Express? Okay, E will read the Indian Express. Let me keep writing here. E will read the Indian Express. Okay, is the mother-in-law, who is the wife, etc. D is the father and does not read Times of India. D does not read Times of India. एक काम करते हैं, इसको ना यहाँ पे बना ही लेते हैं. E, okay, who reads Indian Express? Okay, so there are 6 persons, na? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and E, who reads Indian Express? ये आ गया. E reads Indian Express. Okay, D is the father, does not read Times of India. Okay, does not read Times of India. Okay, और Business Standard, दोनों नहीं read नहीं करता है. B reads Navbharat Times. Okay, B reads Navbharat Times, mentioned. Okay, B reads Navbharat Times. Okay, and is the sister of F. Sister of F, F who reads Hindustan Times. F reads Hindustan Times. ये आ गया HT. Okay, C does not read Business Standard. Okay, C does not read the Business Standard. So now problem, I think it is sorted. Okay, D is the father of F, does not read Times of India or Business Standard. तो बचा क्या? देखो, Indian Express is gone, Hindustan Times is gone. Okay, Navbharat Times is gone, and out of the remaining, D does not read Times of India and Business Standard. To D, Financial Times. D, Financial Times. Okay, D, Financial Times. Okay, now C does not read Business Standard. So Business Standard goes to the A. Okay, what is the only newspaper left is Times of India. Here it comes and the answer is C. Okay, who reads the Times of India? It is C. It is the option number A, the person C. Clear? So from one statement, so now what is confusing about this is, okay, both are also independent question, but what is confusing with respect to the statement, with respect to the students, if I tell that, okay, the language is involving both newspapers and blood relation. Okay, so that sometimes can confuse students. So that is why it becomes a good puzzle question. Let us be ready for the 9th question then. Okay, P, Q, R, S, T, U are 6 cities, okay, which are in a row in the same order. A bus B1 travels from P to U and another bus B2 travels from U to P. Okay, the bus B1 reaches S at 10:40 and bus B2 reaches Q at 10:35 if the travel time between any two adjacent cities is 40 minutes and the stoppage is at each city is 15 minutes. Okay, so between the stations, okay, 40 minutes is the travel time and the stop at every city is 15 minutes. Which city do the buses meet? Okay, it's a logical arrangement of timing, okay, plus the cities. Okay, so PQRSTU are 6 cities which are in a row in the same order. So here the order of the cities is known, PQRSTU. A bus B1 starts from P. चलो इसको map करेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay, P, Q, R, S, T and U. The bus B1 starts from here. Okay, the bus B1 starts from here. Okay, from P to U and another bus B2 starts from U to P. Okay, यहाँ से B2 start होगा, यहाँ से B2 start होगा, ठीक है? Okay, now bus B1 reaches the S at 10:40. This bus B1, थोड़ा सा इसको इधर लिख देते हैं. B1 starts in this direction. Okay, and B2 is going to start like this. But what is the first information coming up? Dear, what is the first information coming up? Okay, the bus B1 reaches S at 10:40. Okay, reaches S at 10:40. It reaches at 10:40. Now pay attention. Okay, it reaches at 10:40. Okay, so okay, when was it at R? So travel time is 40. इन दोनों के बीच में 40 है. Okay, so ये R से 10 पे चलेगा. It will start from R at 10, but it reaches 15 minutes before because stoppage time is 15. So R 9:45. In a way, the total difference is 40 plus 15. 40 minutes of travel and 15 minutes of stoppage. Okay, the arrival time between any two stations, arrival time. Okay, so it arrives at our 15 minutes stop, 40 minutes further travel time, to 55 minutes. So you have to keep reducing 55 minutes. Clear? So let's go back. Okay, let us write down all the times. So let us go back. Okay, minus 55 kiya, so that should become 850. Correct, na? 859. Correct. And again, this will be 7 but 55. 7 but 55. Okay, now next, what is the information for the bus B2? Okay, the bus B2 reaches Q at 10:35. Okay, Q at 10:35. Iska Q given hai 10:35. Again, you want to go back, so you have to subtract 55. So 10:35 reverse kiya to 9:40 it should be. Okay, again you reverse. It will become 8:45. Okay, again you keep reversing, etc. No need to find further. Where do they meet? So 8:50 and 10:35. That's a big gap. 10:40, 8:45, big gap. Further, okay, ये time बढ़ता जाएगा, ये time reduce होता जाएगा. So only possibility that they can meet is at this station. But the time doesn't meet. No problem. This time doesn't meet. But look at the direction. Okay, this is the arrival time on R. Okay, this is the arrival time on R. So at R, okay, if you look into the R, the bus B1, okay, reaches 9:45. That is the arrival time. So it will be there till 10. Okay, similarly, bus B2 is arriving at 9:40. This is the arrival times I have written. So if it arrives at 9:40, it is going to be there for next 15 minutes. Okay, that is 9:55. Okay, 9:55 tak rahega plus 40 minutes, 10:35 it reaches Q. Okay, so yeah, they meet here. They meet. Okay, they are at 10 minutes common time. Okay, so where do they meet? R. So don't think that it is a speed, time and distance. Okay, it's not like a quantitative aptitude speed, time and distance. It's a logical puzzle question only. Okay, it's just arrangement of timing this time. Arrangement of timing. Next question, 10th. A train, okay, travels from A to E with intermediate stations being B, C, D. Okay, A to E जाएगा, बीच में B, C, D आएगा. 10 parcels, good one है ना? It's a good puzzle actually. 10 parcels with the code numbers 101 through 110 were transported between these stations. Okay, so there are 10 parcels with the codes 101 to 110 and the trail travels from A to E. Okay, they are transported based on the following conditions. They are transported based on the following conditions. Only 4 parcels 101, 104, 105, 107 were loaded at A. Okay, one among them was unloaded at B, one at C, 2 at D. ठीक है. 102, 106 were unloaded at C. तो एक काम करते हैं, बनाते जाते हैं, otherwise no point of reading it up. Okay, so a train travels from A to E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and 4 parcels. अच्छा, some of the parcels are loaded and some of the parcels are unloaded. So A station पे what are the loaded parcels? Okay, and what are the unloaded parcels? Okay, what is the loading information? Okay, and let us write the unloading information here separately. Okay, these are the 5 stations. Okay, let me write down the loaded parcels and unloaded parcels. So 4 parcels 101, 4, 5, 7 are loaded at A. Okay, 101, 104, 105, 107. Okay, one of them will be unloaded at B, one at C, 2 at D. But which one? That is not mentioned. 102, 106 are unloaded at C. 102, 106 are unloaded at C. Okay, unloading given hai 102 and 106 are unloaded at C. Okay, and 108 which was loaded at B was unloaded at E. 108 was loaded at B. 108 was loaded at B and it was unloaded at E. Now please pay attention. Please pay attention. यहीं पे stop करते हैं. 102 and 106 are unloaded at C and that is only possible if it was loaded before. Okay, so 102, 106 should come before. But A के बारे में क्या बोला है? Only 4 parcels were loaded at A. Okay, nothing else. Okay, I'll draw something like this. Nothing else. Okay, so the only thing is 102, 106. Okay, 102, 106 should come here. Okay, that is a derived information. Something is given information, something is derived information. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Next. 102, 106 were unloaded and ठीक है, that is okay. Only one parcel was loaded at D, which is 103. Only one parcel is loaded at D. Only one parcel was loaded at D, which is 103. Okay, only one. Okay, so after this nothing will be there. So let me put an empty line here. Acha, if a parcel is loaded at D, it can only be unloaded at the next station. Okay, so one more derived information. 103 is going to be unloaded at the final station, that is E. Okay, so ye bhi aa gaya. This is also done. Okay, only 2 parcels were unloaded at D. Okay, and 101 was unloaded at C. Only 2 parcels were unloaded at D. Okay, and those 2 will be coming from here. First statement se bola tha na. Okay, of the 4 parcels loaded at D, 2 will be unloaded at D, and only 2 parcels are unloaded at D, and 101 was unloaded at C. 101 was unloaded at C. Okay, 101 यहाँ पे आ गया, तो 101 is already available here. Okay, ठीक है, done है. चलो अभी और derive होगा, wait करते हैं. Okay, and only 2 are unloaded. Okay, only 2 are unloaded at D. ये भी देखना है. Okay, so those two are out of these 3. ये out of these 3 ही होगा. Next statement पे चलते हैं. Okay, now only 2 parcels are unloaded at D. 101 was unloaded at C. Okay, the station immediately after the station at which 105. Okay, one more information. Okay, 101 was unloaded at C. The station immediately after the station at which 105 is unloaded. So C is the station immediately after the station at which 105 is unloaded. So C is immediately after what? C is immediately after B, and at this station 105 is unloaded. At this station clearly बोला है 105 is unloaded. So dear, 105 gone, 101 gone, 2 बचे. Okay, both of them go to the D. Both of them go to the D. तो ये derive हो गया information. Both of them go to the D. That is 101. नहीं, sorry. 101 is gone. 105 is gone. The 4 and 7. 104 and 107, and only 2 are unloaded at D. Only 2 are unloaded at D. ठीक है. ओके, तो ये पूरा यूज हो गया. वन ऑफ देम वाज, हाँ ये पूरा हो गया. 102, ठीक है. दिस इज डन. द नंबर ऑफ पार्सल्स विच वर लोडेड एट डिफरेंट स्टेशन वाज डिफरेंट. Okay, and the number of parcels which were unloaded at different station was different. No parcel is loaded at E. Of course, E is the last station, and no parcel is unloaded at A because A is the first station you can only load, and E is the last station you can only unload. Okay, that simply means okay, there is nothing here and there is nothing here. Okay, ये 0 है. Now, one more important information. Number of parcels which are loaded at different station is different. Okay. Okay, there cannot be any station at which two parcels are loaded. The number of parcels loaded at each station is a different number. Okay, so अब अगर हम लोडिंग की बात करें, okay, let us see, the problem is almost sorted. अगर हम लोडिंग की बात करें, right, so I have A पे 4, okay, B पे I don't know how much, C पे I don't know how much, okay, B plus C plus D पे there is only one loaded, okay, and E पे nothing can be loaded, okay, and the total parcels to be loaded is 10. Total parcels to be loaded as 10. Okay, so what is B plus C? 5. It's a brilliant puzzle, actually. Okay, so B plus C 5 hai, and also B does not equal to C. Okay, B does not equal to C and does not equal to 1 or 4 also. Okay, B does not equal to C. Okay, so what is the only possibility? Okay, B is equal to, okay, 2, C equal to 3. नहीं तो B पे तो 3 हो ही गया minimum, तो B equal to 3, C equal to 2. Okay, B already 3 is C ना, तो B is greater than equal to 3 and B not equal to C. चलो ये पूरा लिख देता हूँ. What else you have? B greater than equal to 3 and B not equal to C. तो मतलब B can only be 3 and C can be 2. C can be 2. That is the only possibility. Okay, difference create करने के लिए. ठीक है, right. 4 and 1 you can't take because 4 is already written above. चलो next आ जाते हैं. Okay, unloading data की बात करते हैं. Okay, what is the unloaded numbers? What is the unloaded numbers? Okay, 0 plus I don't know how many unloaded at B, how many unloaded at C. Okay, but how many unloaded at D, that is known. Okay, plus E का भी unloading number नहीं पता है. This total is 10. So I'm left with 3 stories to be sorted here. I'm left with 3 stories to be sorted here. Okay, yes, C पे आएगा 2, B पे आएगा 3. हाँ ठीक है. So I have, okay, B plus C plus E should be 8. B plus C plus E should be 8. ठीक है, B plus C plus E should be 8. अच्छा देखो, E के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन शायद मिल सकता है, तो वो भी निकाल लेंगे. Okay, B will have 3, तो C will have 2. तो what are the 2 at C? ये लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. What are the 2 at C? I need to complete this chart. Okay, तो what are the 2 at C? Okay, तो 1 0 1 2 3 is there, 4 5 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 1 0 9 and 1 1 0. Okay, there will be 2 at C. Na? So what are the 2? What are the 2? 1 0 9 1 1 0. Now if they are loaded here, they have to be unloaded there. Okay, so D mein there cannot be any more unloading. Okay, so 109 and 1010 will come up here. Okay, 109 and 110. Okay, okay, will come up here. Okay, तो ये आ गया. How many? E पे हो गया 4. E पे हो गया 4. Okay, so now I have B plus C equal to 4. B plus C equal to 4. What is the only possibility? 0 नहीं हो सकता. Okay, 1 is left. Okay, B plus C, 1 plus 3 I think. Okay, 2 number is gone, 4 number is gone. Okay, 2 number is gone, 4 number is gone. बताइए. Okay, so only possibility is now, okay, B equal to 1, okay, and C equal to 3. क्योंकि C पे already 3 दिख रहा है. So it cannot be less than that. B1 and C3. So 0, 1, 3, 2, 4. All should be different numbers. Okay. How many parcels are loaded at C? See, actually our problem stops here, but they can ask now how many parcels are unloaded at C or unloaded at D, anything they can ask. How many are loaded at C? Okay, loaded at C, it is 2. It is 2. Option number B. Kindly check it out. It's gonna be option number B. It's going to be what? Option number B. Everybody? It's going to be the option number B. Okay, 2. Chalo, next question. Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions. 5 students, Sujit, Randhir, Neena, Mihir and Vinay, have total 5 books on the subject physics, chemistry, Khanna, Harish, D'Souza and Edwin. Okay, so some of them are subjects, some of them are names. 5 students are there. Physics, chemistry is the name of the subject. Definitely we all know logically. Khanna, Harish, D'Souza, Edwin. Okay, so they becomes the author. Okay, they becomes the author. Okay. Each student has only one book on any one of the 5 subjects. Gupta is the author of physics book, which is not owned by Vinay or Sujit. Okay, so physics आ गया है मेरे पास. Let me write down like this. Okay, so I have the book. Okay, I have the author. and I have the person owning that book, so I have the owner. Okay, Gupta is the author of physics, and physics is not owned by Vinay or Sujit. वो बाद में use करेंगे. I have used this statement first of all. Okay, Mihir owns the book written by Edwin. Okay, written by Edwin. So there will be some book I don't know, but written by Edwin, and the owner of the book will be Mihir. Okay, mapping between three objects it is. Okay, so Mihir owns the book written by Edwin. Nina owns maths book. Okay, so let us write down maths is a subject and that is owned by Nina. Person is Nina. Okay, so Nina owns maths book. Itna complete ho gaya. Vinay has English book. Okay, so there is one more subject coming up here, English, and who has that book? Vinay. Okay, so Vinay has English book which is not written by Khanna. Okay, so this book is not written by Khanna. Okay, तो खन्ना कहाँ आएगा वो देखना पड़ेगा. Okay, biology book is written by D'Souza. One more statement. Biology book, one more subject. Okay, biology. So all 5 subjects are now complete. Biology book is written by D'Souza. Okay, so there is physics and chemistry. Chemistry is a subject already mentioned. Okay, so that chemistry will come up here. Okay, अब हम लिखते हैं derived information. अब हम लिखेंगे derived information. This was directly given. This was directly given. So chemistry comes up here. Okay, who is the correct combination निकालना है. चलो, let me complete this. Okay, now physics. Gupta is the author of physics, which is not owned by Vinay or Sujit. Vinay or Sujit will not come up here. Vinay is already not coming up here. Sujit also cannot come up here. If Sujit cannot come up here, Sujit goes here. Okay, who is the person left now? एक बार read करेंगे. Okay, Sujit, Randhir. I think Randhir is left. I think only Randhir is left. Correct. Okay, Mihir, Naina, Vinay, everything is used. Okay, so now who are the publications left? Okay, there was one more statement. Okay, Vinay has English book not written by Khanna. Vinay has English not written by Khanna, so Khanna comes up here. Khanna cannot come up here. That's it. And who is the author left? Khanna, Harish, D'Souza, Edwin. Harish is left. So here this is again a good question, because actually all subjects in the statement are not directly given. Publishers are also 4 given, but they are indirectly given in some of the other statements. Okay? In some of the other statements. Okay, so these two were like name of the books, these two were the publishers, and these are the name of the persons actually. Okay, chalo. So now what is the correct combination? Maths Nina Harish? Maths Nina Harish? No. Okay, physics Mihir Gupta? Physics Mihir Gupta? No. Okay, English Vinay Edwin? English Vinay Edwin? No. D. Biology Sujit D'Souza? Biology Sujit D'Souza. Okay, that is the very correct answer. Okay, that is option number D. Very correct answer. That is the option number D. Okay, hope you have understood this. Okay. Alright, so these were the 11 good puzzles that we have taken for today. And guys, All India Open Mega Mocks are live. Okay, and the next mock is going to be on 28th October. The first mock is just actually over from 14th to the 20th of October. So second mock is going to start from the 20th of October, and that is going to be for network, digital, and signal and system. Yes, you can participate to practice more and more. It is exactly as per the gate pattern, initially subject wise and then full. Subject wise also means mixed subject. Okay, so that you get mixed subject practice and then the full syllabus. Okay, and also, okay, if you perform, if you are, once the results are declared, okay, so the result date for the second MMC will be 4th November. So if your name appears in the toppers of the list, you will also get huge discounts on the BYJU'S complete test series. So you can also get a chance to get the entire test series. Okay. No, I think we are done. Okay, I think we are done. Chalo, that's it. Okay. 11 questions were planned. Okay. So guys, that's it. And you can also enroll to the complete gate crashes courses to have the complete syllabus coverage in the fast track manner, the fast track theory revision, but the complete detailed question practice for your understanding. Okay, so with live classes, recorded lectures also available, study material, mock test, practice quizzes. For any doubts, you can contact 924-133-666 and get your doubts regarding to the crash course rectified. It is available for all branches, ECE, CS, mechanical and civil, of course. Okay, that's it guys. So hope you like this session. Okay, so this was practice on analytical puzzles. This was although a recorded video, so that I thought in less time let us cover the questions and give the concept to the students. All right, so hope you like it up. And yeah, password. Okay, because all my PDFs are password protected, so you will get the today's PDF, okay, with a small password on it. And let's say the password is puzzle. Simple password based on the topic only. Let us say the password is everything small, puzzle, P-U-Z-Z-L-E, P-U-Z-Z-L-E. Okay, so you'll get it in my Telegram group. This is the password. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe and keep preparing hard for your GATE 2024 preparation. Thank you.